Welcome to CMAC. How can you turn wood into solid blocks or wide panels in just a few minutes? Introducing our breakthrough high-frequency horizontal wood jointing machine. The core advantage is unmatched speed. Our high-frequency technology dries glue in just 1 to 3 minutes, completely eliminating waiting time during production. This delivers a productivity boost 7 to 8 times faster than any manual process. In an era of scarce timber and high import costs, the machine's continuous operation and high speed help you maximize value and output from every board, keeping your entire production line running efficiently. You'll get perfect joint quality every time. High-frequency heating focuses only on the glue line, ensuring deep, uniform glue curing. The result: a solid, stable joint with no warping, no cracks, and ready for immediate use. The HF heating process also eliminates hidden wood-boring insects inside the timber. This natural sterilization removes the need for chemical treatment or a separate fumigation system, saving you major costs, space, and production time. This machine is a complete upgrade, delivering maximum output, natural sterilization benefits, and superior structural durability for your final products. Don't let waiting slow down your business. Invest in the CMAC high-frequency horizontal jointing machine today and experience the difference in both speed and quality. Contact us now for a quotation and a fully optimized production solution.